this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi, and welcome to this video. This is a card we're making today. Really sweet. I love these little zebras. I've used them a number of times now. And here they're having a little party together, throwing confetti up into the air. So let me show you what I did. The stamp set I used is this one called Zany Zebras. I love it. Okay, we're using a lot of these images today. Well, we're going to be stamping in Night of Navy ink, and I've got everything set up in my Stampin' artist, because I'm going to try and stamp everything in one go, so we'll see how successful I actually am. I'm going to give everything a really good ink up, and I think I have there. And then give everything a really good press down. And I can see the lid of my Stampin' artist is getting dirty. I need to clean it. I should just use an alcohol wipe or something to clean it. And there, I think that turned out quite well. But I am going to stamp one more time because I want good, not quite well. So one more time we will give it a go, and we'll see what we come up with. So, this is the beauty of the Stampin' artist, that you can do this. Just giving it a really good press. Yeah, perfecto. That will do me. Okay. And before I close it all up and transfer ink all over the place, I'm going to give everything a really good rub-a-dub-dub. Good scrub in the tub. Okay, so I've cleaned up my stamp, and I'm going to have to go and give myself a bit of a scrub after this as well. Hands covered in ink. So that's what we have. So now let's bring the rest of our bits in. My card base is Seaside Spray. There's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And I've got some of this new paper blooms, designer series paper from Sale-a-bration. And this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. So we're just going to stick one to the other. So let's do that. You can see why I use Night of Navy, because it's in this background piece of paper. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is take my Night of Navy marker and I just create some lines here. Just sketchy lines, just to show sort of, so they're not standing in thin air. Just like that. I'm just going to kiss them, ground them away, and then we are going to stick this down to our designer series paper. And we're just going to have a little mat of that around the edge, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in my shapes. Let me see, here they are. And my pokey tool. And we're going to go to town on enamel dots. We're going to put a few wherever we want. So where shall we put this one? Here. And I'm going to put one maybe there. Just trying to remember how many I've got. So I've got 4. I'm going to go for quite a few because I want it to look like confetti. 5, 6. I'm using all the colours I have here. 7, 8. 9. I think actually that's enough. You can have a look and see what you think. Those are the 2 cards you made. This one I used a slightly smaller whisper white piece, and I think I prefer it to that, but you can tell me what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!